Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next Femite video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm going to show you a simple way of speeding up your Windows 10 performance, allowing Windows to run really fast. So this is just a simple way. Now your recycle bin normally save the deleted file from your computer. So sometimes when you delete files or document or photographs, just about anything from your computer or laptop, then it will save to what is called recycle bin. So presently these are what are in my recycle bin. So yes, you will delete it from my document or picture or video music, but it is still on your computer, meaning that it is saved in your recycle bin. Now the amount of space in your recycle bin can be too much. So let's check mine for example. So right click on recycle bin, go to properties. So this C, so 8032 bytes megabytes that is, so that will work out to approximately, or it will actually work out to about 7 or 8 gigs right away. Now my recycle bin, I definitely don't want it to be that high, so you can choose customize right there and change the figure. So let's say for example I only want my recycle bin to be 1 gig. So you type in the amount that you want in terms of the recycle bin. So that is why you choose customize. So if I just want 1 gig, so I just simply type in 1028, click on apply, click on OK. So what this means is that anything above 1 gig, automatically it's going to delete permanently from the PC and it will not go to recycle bin. And next option guys, you can also choose don't move a file to recycle bin, remove files immediately when delete. So that's another way of speeding up your Windows 10. It is just that, let's say for example you mistakenly delete a file and then you're not going to get it anymore from that PC, because you would have choose this option which said that don't remove file to recycle bin, remove file immediately when delete. So once again guys, this video tutorial show you just a simple way of speeding up or allowing your Windows 10 to run fast. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.